Hey guys, how's it going? So I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely one of those guys who likes to manually edit their photos, before they post them somewhere. So I definitely spend a lot of time in post-processing my images. Now, if you're someone like me, or you're just looking for a photo editing app for your basic cropping, trimming, and applying filters and all that stuff, this video is for you guys. Today, we have a list of the top 7 best photo editing apps for your iOS device that offer tons of features like tuning, adding filters, making collages, and whatnot. And the best part, they're all free. This is Varun from Guiding Tech, and let's get started. Now the first app on this list is my go-to photo editing app on any mobile device. It's called Snapseed and I'm sure you must have already heard of it. It's a full-fledged professional photo editing app and I hope that you guys love it. The app gives desktop-grade photo editors a run for their money with a huge range of features and an intuitive interface that it packs. Now it comes with all of the classic tools such as cropping, straightening, frames, text, vignettes, etc. There's also a selective adjust tool that lets you select a specific area of your photo and adjust the saturation, contrast, and brightness of that single point. Honestly, this is the complete solution for beginners and advanced users alike. Next up, we have VSCO that combines a great photo editing app along with a great camera and a good community. But the main reason why this app is on our list is for the amazing collection of filters that it packs up. Of course, the app also has the standard editing tools like adjustments, cropping, borders, and vignettes. That said, VSCO provides a ton of stunning filters. These are soft and subtle filters that add a touch of class to your photos compared to many heavy filtered Instagram presets. And like I said, the community is there too. So if you want to share your great snaps and shots, I feel you would find VSCO's community much more engaging as compared to Instagram. Now, while we're talking about best photo editors, how can we forget about Adobe? So Adobe has the Photoshop Express, which basically takes a lot of the features of the main Photoshop app and squeezes them into a mobile app. Photoshop Express offers plenty of features packed inside a simple to use app. You get the usual set of cropping, red eye correction, brightness, contrast, saturation, filters, borders, etc. And there are also smart filters that automatically correct common issues such as color temperature and exposure problems. Now you do need to create an Adobe ID to use this, but that's free so it should not be an issue. Next up is a name that you might not have heard of, and if that's the case, you should definitely check it out. It's called Afterlight and it's one of the most awesome photo editing apps for iOS devices that you can check out. The dev calls it an all-in-one feature-packed photo editing app and I pretty much agree with them. You get the usual toolset of editing your images, but then you also get a ton of options to add and customize text. Then there are the 100+ frames to choose from and tons of great filters that you can customize to suit your needs. Oh, and let's not forget the tons of textures and overlays available here that add a unique spin to your image. Now this list would be incomplete without talking about one of the most used apps for not just photo editing but also for making posters. It's called Canva and I'm sure you must have already used it at least once, if not on your phone, then on your web app. So like I said, the app is not just for photos, but it's for creating posters and other visuals that you can add to your stories, posts, and whatnot. Just take a photo and start editing with the hundreds of options available inside the app. You can make use of professional looking filters, vignettes, and much more to make your content stand out. Okay, so Adobe might be the gold standard when it comes to photo editing software and Snapseed might be the best one for advanced mobile users. But if you're someone who's just looking for a lot of filters and a lot of stickers, the best option for you guys must be PicsArt. PicsArt boasts of a ton of features such as photo effects, drawing tools, image editor, collage maker, sticker maker, camera, photo filters, and whatnot. And you can use it to add frames and stickers and even make dual exposure images super easily. See, there's a gold membership available as well, but even the free feature set should be more than enough for most users without a doubt. Now the last app on this list might come as a shock, but did you guys know that the inbuilt Photos app also packs in quite a punch? I mean, you can use it to do all your basic stuff like adjusting the light and color, crop and rotate an image, or just straighten things up. Also, if you took an image with the bokeh mode, you can use the Photos app to manually adjust the bokeh as well. If all you need is a very basic photo editor, you don't really need to download anything extra. The bundled Photos app should do the trick for you. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Now, as always, you can find the download links to all of the apps that I talked about in the description box below. Also, if you feel that I missed out on any of the photo editors app that you guys prefer, but I did not talk about, feel free to comment below and we can have a chat there. Lastly, if you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech content. Till then, this is Varun from Guiding Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.